Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we'll be learning the sound B. The letter for this sound is B and the sound it makes is B. So let's see some of the words that begin with B. B is for ball, ball. B is for bread, bread. B is for balloon, balloon. B is for banana, banana. B is for bag, bag. B is for book, book. B is for bed, bed. B is for bat, bat. So these were some of the words that begin with B. Please practice these at home and let's go through them once again. B is for ball, ball. B is for bread, bread. B is for balloon, balloon. B is for banana, banana. B is for bag, bag. B is for book, book. B is for bed, bed. B is for bat, bat. You can also open your picture book and turn to page number 3 and read.